tree of 196. So 196, it can be written as 2 times 98. 2 times 98 mean 196. Like as 98, it can be written as 2 times 49. 2 times 49 mean 98. This 49, it can be written as 7 times 7. 7 times 7 mean 49. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2, 7 and 7. So we can write 196 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times this 2 times this 7 and this 7. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.